Hello दोस्तों, welcome back to our YouTube channel Khamakha Vlogger and welcome back again to this video from Kerala. Today in this video we are going to cover a most beautiful thing in Kerala. So Kerala is full of surprises, let me tell you. Each and every time you come to Kerala you are going to experience a new thing. So this time I have visited Kerala so many times as of now, but again yet this time this is all going to be a new experience for me. So this time in Kerala I'm going to travel in a boat taxi from Kottayam to Alappuzha, Alappi, which is known for backwaters. So we're going to take a boat jetty or boat taxi from Kottayam to Alappi. So in this video, everything I'm going to share in detail, from where you can get this boat jetty, how much time it takes from Kottayam to Alappi, and how is it jetty, the cleanliness and all. Everything I'm going to share in detail in this video, in this vlog. To start further this journey, I like to share the most important information. Where is this boat jetty point located? So this is known as Kodi Mata Water Park, and even if you say to auto, you have to go to Kodi Mata boat jetty or Kodi Mata jetty, Kodi Mata boat, anything you can use, and they can drop you easily at this point in Kottayam, and then you can travel towards Alappi. So now you can note down the timings. From Kottayam is 6:45, 11:31, 3:30, 5:15. We are going to take this boat at 1, and this is the fixed timing. And then from Alappi also you can see 5 boats are there. From Kottayam also 5. Ticket price is also there, and this is the office number. You can take a screenshot of this, and in any case you can do the inquiry also. And boat stop here. This is the boat station, right? So boat is there. 12:20 it will come. So please make sure you come in advance and then grab a seat for this boat taxi to Alappi. And we have grabbed our seats inside the boat. I can show you here. The passenger capacity is 102. So 102 people it can carry, and this is like boat taxi. It has so many stops, right? It will cover so many stops in the middle, and then it will reach Alappi. So let's see how much time exactly it takes, how many stop it has, what is the fare, everything. Let us see, and we are going to see so many beautiful views in the journey also. So let's see when the boat is going to start from here. This is just, I showed you, this is Kudur river, and if you search on the Google map, then you can search government Kodi Mata boat jetty. That point is available on Google map, so you search that and come here. So finally you can see the timing, and now we are departing from Kottayam. So let's see how much time exactly it takes, and I think we'll go in the reverse direction. This is basically government service. So you can see their state transport department station Kottayam. This is a basically government service, and everyone here is in proper dress. So you don't have to worry anything. The staff here is too cooperative. Kerala basically people are so good. Malayali people are so good, but since this is a government, you cannot expect a good service. But in Kerala, you don't have to worry about that. That is the best thing I like about Kerala, and that is why Kerala is so good in tourism. And you can see here a lot of people were about to miss this boat, but since staff is so good, they are now getting them all outboarded. So you can see now अभी और भी लोग इस बोट में चढ़ चुके हैं. तो फाइनली जिनके भी बोट नहीं चढ़ी थी भाई, वो फाइनली इस बोट में आ चुके हैं. एंड सो फाइनली एट 1:06 we are now departing from Kottayam, and then let's see what time exactly it takes till Alappi. So now we have purchased the ticket also. Boat में ही they'll give you the ticket, or KTM to ALPY यानी Kottayam to Alappi. How much we have charged this? 4 person we are there, so 29 rupees per person. Total 116. So 29 rupees is the per person ticket for this boat taxi to Kottayam to Alappi. And let's see how many stops are there on this boat. And then finally we are in backwater. So backwater के side में you can see ना, लोगों के काफ़ी सारे लोगों के घर हैं, और अब इस backwater में हम जा रहे हैं towards Alappuzha यानी Alappi. And that's how crossing is done. You can see now this bridge they're opening the bridge for this taxi to pass, boat taxi to pass, and now they are seeing, you can see they are lifting the bridge now. I just showed you what is the speed of this boat. This is basically not a super fast service or very fast service which you can take and you can reach quickly, but this is very slow service. But this is, I think this is worth taking. So speed of this boat is approx 10-11 kilometers per hour, but the view, it's worth taking it for this beautiful journey. And I'll show you the way, where are we exactly and which is the route that this boat taxi will go through. So now boat is taking up the passenger at its first stop. So we have now stopped at the first stop, and now people will board this boat jetty and then we'll proceed towards Alleppey. So this is basically our first point. So time is now 1:27 and approx 1:06 we started, no, and then 1:27 we stopped at the first stop, and ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए हम नहीं रुके. For few seconds we stopped. The boat just took passenger and then it started again. And now let me show you how we are going. So somewhere here we started. I'll just try to zoom and I'll show you. Yeah. So we started near Kottayam Water Park. You will also see government boat jetty point. So this is government Kodi Mata boat jetty point, and then this is the way. We are somewhere here now, and then we are using this way, right? Here is Alleppey. Here is the main Alappuzha or Alleppey backwaters this side, and then we are going this way. So this way, somewhere here we started, and then we are in the middle, and after some time we will be reaching in Alleppey. So time is now 2:18 and almost 1 hour 12 minutes in this journey. So now we have crossed the 4 stops. So till now there were total 4 stops, and then you can see at the shore, no, how water is rising up and then it is coming down to this boat. So till now weather is outside very hot, but now we are inside the boat. It is very pleasant because weather, the cold breeze is there, and that's how our journey is going. Time is currently 2:26, and then now I'll show you where are we exactly. So this is here, Alleppey is there, and this we are now going to merge in the main backwaters, and then we are coming from where, which direction are we coming from, that also I'll show you. So see, from here are we coming, right? Exactly near this point we started, near this point, and then we are currently here and going to be merged in the main backwaters. So finally we arrived Alleppey, almost 3:46, right? So 3:46 we have arrived Alleppey finally, and this boat ride was amazing, and I feel it is worth taking. So whenever you are visiting Alleppey, please don't miss this 29 rupees boat ride. You can even go to Kottayam, you can come to Alleppey from Kottayam also, and this is worth every penny. So that's how this vlog was. I hope you have enjoyed this 29 rupees boat ride through backwaters in Kerala. And if you have liked this vlog, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and do share with your friends and family. We'll meet in next vlog. Till then, take care of your family, take care of yourself. Bye bye.